welcome again with a new video. Today I'm gonna show you our D series LED headlights. Total we have 6 model: D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 and D8. So well guys, this is the D series LED. Allow me open the box and show you inside. So well guys, this is D4 LED and this socket fixed with the original car blaster. So guys, this is double copper heatsink. So well guys, here is a high quality CSP chip, high quality fan. So well guys, all LED almost the same power. So right now I test for you D4 LED D4. Original power 55 watt. So well guys, if you want to make order, visit their outlets, Dragon Mart branches, tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba as well. Stay with us. See you next video. Bye bye.